Divvy in the Bivvy.
Yeah, hi. Another day up on the reservoir from Divvy in the Bivvy. Although he's not divvying the bivvy today, he's divvying the one-man tent. I decided to go a little bit lighter with the amount of tackle that I bring on these short, sort of 7-8 hour stints, rather than bringing bivvies unless I really need it, unless it's going to be inclement. And it's not particularly, it's quite a nice day. It's late September, about 14 degrees, 12 degrees. I got here, it was about 5 o'clock. So decided instead of bringing the bivvy all the time, because it's quite heavy, quite a bit cumbersome, or can be, so and unnecessary. So I bought the one-man tent, one of these ones that you throw up in the air and they collapse out, just so as that in case it does rain or something, I've got somewhere to dive into. Two runs so far. First rod here. I expect it was the same pike each time. I hooked it both times, but lightly, obviously, because it was only on for about 10 seconds, but probably 10 seconds the first time, 15 seconds the second time. Didn't feel particularly big, but you can't tell, can you? The didn't feel particularly big, like I say, but who knows. So yeah, we've got a few hours here yet. I'm using 3 different baits, seeing what happens. I've had 2 on the bluey at the moment, but like I say, it's probably just the same pike, so it's a little bit unfair to say it's blueys that are working. I guess it's probably about 7 o'clock, I imagine. I got here at 5. Hi, well that was a bit hectic. 2 pike in 10 minutes. Just got one in, netted it, weighed it, wasn't very big, probably, sorry I didn't weigh it, it's about £6 I expect, something like that, it's 5-6 pounds. And then as I'm putting it back, the other line went on a sardine, and that was much more respectable. That was probably about, I'm guessing, again I didn't weigh it, probably £8 I suppose, something like that. Nice. I thought I'd lost it at the beginning actually, it obviously came towards me. And then, but anyway, got them both, so both safely returned. Let's go get another one.